Today we're taking a look at GVIEWIN's magnetic phone ring holder, which they had sent over for review. This magnetic phone ring holder is compatible with many types of iPhone and Android smartphone cases. On this magnetic ring, we have an inner loop that actually folds out into two smaller rings. That's actually kind of neat because you're getting a little more reach and a little bit more stability when you use this to prop your phone up if you're watching a video, for example. This kit comes with the inner case sticker and the magnetic ring. For me, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with a PopTech case. This case already has the inner piece built into it, so I don't need to attach the inner sticker here. I can actually just install my phone into the case and apply the outer magnetic ring onto the case. It'll stick on, and it's actually pretty strong. This is actually a relatively powerful magnetic ring. I was really impressed how much I was able to shake my phone around, and this magnetic ring stayed attached. GVIEWIN rates this at being able to hold 2.2 pounds, which is more than enough to support any smartphone that I've ever worked with. The inner rings on this magnetic ring can be folded out for propping up the phone for videos, or honestly, just to get a better grip on the phone when you're holding it. Admittedly, I did kind of fiddle around with these while I was waiting for stuff or just holding my phone, almost like a pop socket. Since this is a magnetic ring, you can reposition the ring in any orientation that you want in order to maximize the functionality. After I installed the ring, I was glad to see that the phone was very stable when laying on its backside. And when I folded out the inner rings, I was actually still able to wirelessly charge my Galaxy S23 on my Qi charger. Now this might not be the case for all Qi chargers, but I did try it on both of mine and they both worked. This magnetic ring is actually marketed towards Apple and iPhone users, but this ring will pretty much work on any MagSafe case out there, which is awesome. As you saw here, I was able to use this on my Galaxy S23 Ultra without any issues. For the price, I really like this case accessory. It was functional, and I thought it was a pretty good value.